This song is called Nature's Way. It's just a reminder, hey John, about the best way to treat our rivers. It's nature's way, the Santa Fe. First sight of her splendor, I froze in awe. Ain't nothing I ever knew before, and nothing I ever saw like nature's way and the Santa Fe. Harmony and beauty and teeming with life. A fragile river lady, so alone in this fight, is nature's way, the Santa Fe. Sacred river rise where the Timucua once stood. Clear river waters that wander through her woods. It's nature's way, the Santa Fe. And upon that ancient land bridge, the Seminoles, they made a stand for crystal clear springs that sparkle through her land. It's nature's way, the Santa Fe. So open your mind to the native spirits from our past, the exquisite design and the beauty so vast. Is nature's way, the Santa Fe. Is nature's way, the Santa Fe. So men of goodwill, are you willing to fight? Ladies, will you stand up and do what is right for nature's way, for the Santa Fe? So open your eyes to the native spirits from our past. Lady River rise, forever will last in nature's way, for the Santa Fe. First sight of her splendor, I froze in awe. Ain't nothing I ever knew before, and nothing I ever saw like nature's way. Thank you very much.